I know you guys like me on this bike, so I've been riding it a lot lately. But I want to say about the new video that's coming out. Well, y'all gonna see the videos before this video, so but new videos coming out, going more like, you know, abandoned places and stuff and all that. So I can't wait to show y'all more on this channel. You know, just to get another feel. But also, riding bikes still gonna be going. Everything gonna be going, actually. Like I said, this channel is about adventures. So it's gonna be a lot of stuff going on for us. That's a drive-through gas station. I never knew that. Boy, Florida remind me of GTA. Ooh. I had popped my tire yesterday. But we back home now, so. And the bike ride way better than the tire I had on there. So that's a good thing. Come on, car. What you doing, bro? Now you want to go that fast. I hate when people do that, bro. I swear. Don't mind me, y'all. I'm drinking my Arizona. Lying in the back of this warehouse. Don't know what came here, but I feel like it's empty. And a beautiful day. Have to hop on the train though. Really don't want to. On this side of like Pompano, this side don't really have abandoned places. And most like warehouses to get into, it's like gated, way gated, like good gated. I think you can touch it. If you touch it and some shit like that, you get electrocuted. So sneaking in there ain't really a good idea to do that. I have it go on the other side of Pompano, like this side over here, to find abandoned warehouses and stuff.